Well, hello everybody, and welcome to today's episode of GBear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. We're looking at the weather station here on February 21st at 7:14 in the morning. I've been up for a little over an hour and a half now because it was just too quiet out. So I got up and I looked out the window, and yeah, what that says right there, snow? Well, yeah, looks like we got some. Oh, did we get some. Close to 2 inches right now, and it just let up a little bit. And I'm going to head outside and clean the snow off of my solar panels, because I do have amorphous panels on the group, and even though the sun isn't bright shining, I'll still get some charge out of the amorphous panels just from the ambient light in the sky. It seems to have just let up right now. A little bit, so I'm going to give that a shot. So that this isn't such a short video, one of the things I wanted to do for Dan, one of my subscribers, he wanted to know about internet in the desert. And I've told this before, but this is what I use. It's called a Cradlepoint. And this part of it, the big part, is actually a router. And you can see I have 4 ports on the router right there. And then that part over there is the modem. And you can get these to work with just about any cell phone provider. This one is an MBR, that's Mike Bravo Romeo 1400 version 2. Okay, and the part that I'm using on the modem part over there is an MC, that's Mike Charlie 200 LE, that's Lima Echo, and for this one's for Verizon. But they do make the MC, that's Mike Charlie 400 LPE, that will also do Sprint and all of T-Mobile and all of those. And what you do is you go to your cell phone provider and you get a SIM card to fit in that modem. So if you have cell phone service where you are homesteading, you will have internet where you are homesteading using this unit. And you have 4 ports where you can actually put 4 other peripherals in. This is my laser printer, and I've got that on the network so I can print directly from my phone if I want. And these 3 antennas here are for Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi extends out to 750 feet from this unit. So 750 feet around this cabin in any direction, I still have Wi-Fi connection. Those 2 antennas are the pickup antennas for the cell phone and the cell tower or whatever. So those give you the extra strength. So you see all the lights on here are all green. That means that I am connected. And the blue lights all the way up, that's showing that I have maximum on my Wi-Fi. So I've got, just like 4 bars on your cell phone, I've got 4 bars on the Wi-Fi. All right. So that being said, these things sell, you can buy them, find them on eBay, used or new or refurbished, and they sell for around $300 each. I got a great deal on this one when I bought it. It was under $200. There was a problem with the recycle button right there is broken, but I don't use that anyway, so I don't really need it. That's just a refresh button. If I need to, I just shut it off right here and turn it back on again and reboot it. You also have a USB 3 port here, so you can plug in a USB 3 card or whatever, a USB stick or whatever inside of that, and go straight into the computer with it. All right, so when you get these, if they're brand new, you have no problem. But Cradlepoint claims that they sell these things to one owner only, and the numbers are usually registered with Cradlepoint when they're sold. they will not support it unless you are that person that they sold it to originally. They don't support used ones. So there's no big deal with that. There's a reset button on the side here. All you have to do is press the reset button, reset the whole thing back to 0 if it isn't already there, and then put your SIM card in, put it all together and boot it up, and then you can go online. You plug your computer onto it, and you connect your computer to it, and you go online just like you would a regular router, and you set the thing up. So you put on your security and your passwords and all that stuff. So you'll also, with this one, you'll have your standard Wi-Fi and you'll have a guest Wi-Fi, and you can set up passwords for each one of those. So if you have people visiting, you can give them the guest password and then change that down the line. That way your password can stay the same for a longer period of time. All right. I hope that explains it to you, Dan. These things are great. And like I said, if you have cell phone service in your area, this thing will work. And it's the cheapest way to go on the internet, because you only pay for an added device on your service plan, which is about $20 for most plans. So your internet is $20 a month. You're not going to find that anywhere else. And this is completely wireless, so you don't have to have towers or satellite dishes or anything like that. These things work great. These are originally built for big businesses who have to go out in the field and they want to bring internet with them. All right, we got that all taken care of. Let's venture outside here, and I'll show you a little bit of the outside before I shut this video off. Oh, look, I got a white carpet on my front porch. I got a white carpet across the whole desert. Boy, you know how long it's been since I've been around snow? Well, I would say probably 30 years at least. And I've seen it up in the mountains, but I just don't go to it anymore. I grew up in this stuff, and I prefer the sun. So let's go around and take a look at my solar panels. Boy, this is nice wet snow. You can make snowballs with this. Oh, look at my garden house. Wind ain't getting through that screen. Yep. Covered up completely. So my turbine's still cranking. That's fine. I will get this all cleaned off here so that I have a little bit of ambient light getting to my panels, and we'll go from there. Boy, I can't believe all of this snow. The girls don't care. They're out roaming around. White winter wonderland. I should have covered my ATV yesterday, but that's okay. A little bit of a foxtail brush and I'll brush it all off and we'll be fine. I don't know if it's over yet. The sky is really grayed out here. I got a little break right above me just like normal, but all the way around you can still see they're still getting snow all the way around here. So the radar I just checked a little while ago said that I'm going to get some more snow here around 11. It doesn't look like much, but then again, last night I checked the radar and it showed that all of this was not even going to get near me. It was going to miss me. They lied again. GBear reminding you, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up down there, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And click that little bell right past the word subscribe, and that will give you notifications of whenever I post a new video, so you can keep up with this. GBear signing off.